The objectives of the TALETE project in detail are 1. Identifying and developing teaching and learning methods in the field of mathematics with a focus on geometry. 2. Improving the 14-15-year-old student performances based on OCSE PISA, IEA TIMSS and national evaluation schedules. 3. Improving attractiveness and efficiency of ISHED levels 2 and 3 through the 3D virtual world. 4. Supporting schools to establish partnerships favouring the European integration and improving teachers' and pupils' skills. Now, let's go to see how the TALETE educational environment works. Firstly, please fill out the registration form in order to receive your personal password and user ID and attend the TALETE training path. There are 2 different target groups and then 2 different impacts. For the teachers, to provide innovative content strictly connected with national school curriculum in mathematics, in order to improve the quality of teaching, making it more flexible and fun and reducing the number of low performances of students. For the students, to improve mathematical literary skills, contrasting with the lack of interest among students for the scientific and technical studies. The 2 target groups will receive 2 different accounts according to their different path. Now we can go into the TALETE educational environment, where the teachers will benefit from the theoretical pills and test the 3D educational virtual environment. And then they will be able to participate with their students in the TALETE experiment. In order to log into the TALETE project e-learning platform, insert your username and password in the authentication form in the right side of the screen. Click Enter to access the platform homepage and watch the list of your courses. Now we can use a teacher account. 2 educational environments are displayed on the screen. The e-learning section, only for the teacher, and the 3D virtual environment to be tested together with the students. Click on the link e-learning section to start your activities. The course homepage displays on the left side different learning and communication tools foreseen in the course methodology. To navigate the platform, use the blue-coloured bar just below the course name on the left side of the screen, or the drop-down menu on the right side. This section shows all about the general presentation of the course, such as the description and topic list. It's important that you carefully read this section, at least the first time you access the course, to have an overview of the training path. The agenda allows tutors to insert important course deadlines together with a title and description of the event or activity to be carried out. The most recent event or activity list is displayed. This tool contains several documents useful for the learner. For example, in the folder Lecture Notes, you can find lecture notes related to the e-course topics. The following are some useful tools. Up, in order to access the parent folder. Search, in order to quickly find a file or link by inserting a fragment or the whole name in the available text box. Then click the search button. Download current directory, in order to download a zip file with a selected folder and its contents. Moreover, you can download a single file by putting the mouse arrow over it, then right-click to open a contextual menu. Choose the Save Link As item and finally download the file to your computer. This area is the core tool of the platform. The learning path area is composed by different topics, as many as foreseen by the learning strategy. Each topic is constituted of a multimedia lesson. Click on a title to access a page that summarizes the last session time and the total time you've already spent in the case of a multimedia lesson. The last session time is the time a user has spent on that multimedia lesson, or the last time he or she accessed it, whereas the total time is the accumulated time a user has spent on that lesson. Click on the button Start to visualize the multimedia lesson. A multimedia lesson is a multimedia and dynamic lesson with text, images and animations synchronized together with the expert audio contribution. The learner has the total control of the audio lesson flow by clicking on the Stop Go button, the Forward button and the Backward button. Some panels, Outline, Thumb, Notes, Search, are available to allow for easier navigation. Outline panel to jump from one slide to another. Thumb panel to display the slides preview where it is possible to jump from one slide to another by clicking on the preview. Notes panel to display the slide notes. Search panel to search the slides that match the text of your search. To go back to the lesson list, click the Back to List button. The forum is the most classical asynchronous communication tool. For this project, a forum has been set up for the communication among teachers and between teachers and tutors. Click on Forum in order to see the topic list from the most recent. Click on the selected topic in order to see the list of posted messages from the most recent. Click on Reply in order to write down formatted text by means of the editor at your disposal. Then click OK to confirm and save your post. The system allows different possibilities to be done: to view your message, to return to the forum topic list, to return to the forum index. Click on New Topic in order to create another matter of discussion. The subject or title is a compulsory field. Write down formatted text on the message body field by means of the editor, then click OK to confirm and save your post. Click on Search in order to find the title of a topic or a post. Insert some text in the field just below Search and click OK in order to start the research. The system will try to find titles that include the text previously written in the search box. This tool shows the course participant list, together with some information such as their role in the course, tutor, learner. The chat is a very popular synchronous communication tool. Write down your message in the appropriate white box, then click the button in order to send the message. This one will appear in the list of messages already sent just after the time and date of sending. Coming back to the homepage of the e-learning platform. Now you are ready to test the innovative educational tools in the 3D virtual environment in order to learn the maths with a more funny method. The students involved in the experiment with their teachers will be able to access only the 3D virtual environment and a forum students in order to share their experiences during the TALETE experiment. Click Log Out on the menu bar on top of the page in order to go out from the e-platform. TALETE Project Partners. The beneficiary and coordinator is Universidad degli Studi Guglielmo Marconi, Italy. The partners are University of Thessaly, Greece, Kadikoy MEM, Turkey, IAL Lazio SRO Impresa Sociale, Italy, Burgos Free University, Bulgaria, Reservoir Production Limited, United Kingdom.